How to fix iPad not turning on. If your iPad is not turning on, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to try to resolve the issue. 1. Check the battery. Make sure your iPad has enough battery power by connecting it to a power source using the original charger and cable. Let it charge for at least 30 minutes before attempting to turn it on again. 2. Try a hard reset. Press and hold the sleep-wake power button and the home button or volume down button for iPads without a home button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. This may force a restart and fix any software glitches causing the issue. 3. Check for physical damage. Inspect your iPad for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks or water damage. If you find any damage, it may require professional repair. 4. Update or restore iOS. If your iPad still doesn't turn on, connect it to a computer with iTunes or Finder for Mac OS Catalina and attempt to update or restore the iOS software. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by iTunes or Finder. 5. Check the charger and cable. Ensure that the charger and cable you're using are in good condition and compatible with your iPad model. Try using a different charger and cable if possible. 6. Try a different power outlet. The power outlet you're using may be faulty. Plug your charger into a different outlet and see if your iPad charges. 7. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre. If none of the above steps work, it's possible that there's a hardware issue with your iPad. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre, authorized service provider, for further assistance and repair options. Thank you for watching.